mama. Look at mama. Look at the babies. Oh my God, 12. 12 of them. Wow, look at them. Got black, all of them. They all came out black. Daddy got strong genes. Oh my God, 12 of them. Well, they go for $1,500 a pop. I think girls are $1,800. Contact the Cubester. I'll get to the owner. See what we can do for you. Oh my God. Mama, how was it? There we go. Look at mama. That's what mamas do. Look, she's ready to feed them. Oh my God. Now they gotta find the nipple. Nipple, nipple, nipple. Oh my God. They gotta find the nips. With that one. He's ready. Oh, he found it. Oh, there we go. He found that nipple. He found your nipple. The other one. Here goes the other one. Oh, they know. The beauty of life. The birth of life. The afterbirth of life. Look at mama. Being a good mama. She's a good one. Beautiful.